Keep turning. You're not on true base yet. And nose down a little too.
70. Good. Yeah, right here.
Now this is the base. Now put in another notch of flaps. Watch that speed. Keep your eyes on the runway.
Yep.
Eyes on the runway.
Eyes on the runway.
Runway's to our right, not that way.
Yeah.
I want you to have your eyes on the runway so you know what you're doing in relation to the runway. Alright, you want to finish your flaps.
Okay.
Alright, now pull some power. We want to be 2 white, 2 red. And keep that speed looking nice. Looking good. Nice and stable. That's what I like to see. Just like a normal landing, there's nothing different about it. Looks good, looks good. Yes, that's what I like to see. Alright. Keep that nose wheel. Shimmy dampener is kind of, iffy.
Taxi way 2.
We're going to taxi Alpha, Alpha. This is Alpha right here. This yellow line on the ground.
Yep.
Good landing. Solid night landing.